Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to use reduce function in Excel. So if you want to learn how to use reduce function, this video will show you how to do it. Here I have prepared this table: expense type, electricity, rent, electricity bill, groceries, internet, transport and shopping, and this is their amount. Okay, now I want to find out the sum of the expense above 1000. Okay, so how to do it? You can use reduce function equals to, just type reduce. Okay, then initial value, it will ask for initial value, so you have to just 0. Now array, so you have to just select the array. Okay, comma. Now here we have to use lambda function. Okay, lambda. Now in lambda you have to type a comma b. Okay, comma. Now we will use if function. Okay, so in if function, what is logical? So we want b should be greater than 1000, then a plus b comma a. Okay, now bracket close and bracket close. So this is the sum of the expenses above 1000. Okay, so like this you can use reduce function in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.